Now, to create a sequence, you would normally drag your first shot that you've trimmed into the timeline. That is going to use the parameters from that first clip to set the parameters for your sequence. So I'm literally going to mouse down and drag the whole clip into the timeline. When I let go, it generates a new sequence based on that shot. So here in my program monitor, I now have that trimmed clip. You'll see that the clip has been trimmed down to 5 seconds 20 frames. Now if I come back up to my Dragon Boat Project Racing folder, the topmost level, you will see now I've got a new icon here called Shot 1. It's got a very different icon to the video clips. The video clips will have an audio icon and a video clip icon like the old sprocket projection film. You will notice that the sequence has a different icon altogether. It has a reference to the timeline here, the video tracks that it generates. I'm going to select this clip. I'm going to call this Dragon Boat Racing, the same as the project. I'm going to call this Dragon Boat Racing, the same as the project. This is going to be my main movie, the main sequence.